Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel from Zero To Millionaire. Today I will show you how to send your Bitcoin from Revolut to your Binance account. Of course, this can be other crypto market or other wallet, but on this video I show you how to send your Bitcoins from Revolut to Binance account. To do this, log into your application, push button transfer, click on the search. Now you see option to send to friends, accounts, groups, and when you scroll to the right, you have cards and crypto. Like you see, to send your crypto to some wallet, you need add crypto wallet. So push button, add a crypto wallet. Now type your crypto address in the first field, or you can use this button to scan QR code to your crypto wallet. And below you can type wallet name. When you will be ready, push button continue. Okay, when you add your wallet, you should see on the list below. So push on your wallet and push button send. Cool, you are about to make your first withdraw. To make sure you are sending funds to right address, consider sending a small test amount first. And I very recommend do what they say here. So send small amount before you send bigger amount to your external wallet. First test, after this you can send bigger amount. Push button, got it. Now type how many Bitcoin you want to send for your external wallet. This is my amount what I want to send, and below you see how many I will be sending include fee. If you're ready, push that button review withdraw. Now we see information where we send our Bitcoins, address, what is the limit, how many I get on my wallet, how is fee, and how is total. So like you see, fee is expensive when we're sending Bitcoin from the Revolut to the external wallet. But if you agree with this, push button send. So now we need confirm sending money on this wallet. Push button yes, continued. And like you see, I sent my Bitcoin for the Binance, and this should appear on my Binance account very soon.
Like you see, after a few minutes on my Binance account appeared my Bitcoin what I sent from the Revolut. 29350 Bitcoin. So it's around $7. Now I can stake this money on my Binance, or I can only hold, but I recommend to put this for some kind of staking to this money work for you. How to do this? Very simple. Go to section Earn, Binance Earn, scroll a little below, choose your Bitcoin. Like you see at the moment we have some bonus. We have option to flexible staking. Basic is 0.9%. It is yearly plus 0.25% yearly. So very nice option to starting earn. Push button subscribe. Put your max amount what you can stake. If you got message like this, the quantity has to be higher than 0.001. So you can use some kind of trick. Push this button auto subscribe, and this script automatically invests you Bitcoin for the staking. This is happen once per day. Like you see, the available balance your spot wallet will be used daily at 2 and 4 by UTC time to subscribe to flexible product. If you have higher amount over this, check your agreements, push button confirm, and subscribe your Bitcoin for staking. Let me know in comments what do you think about transferring money between Revolut and external wallet, and what do you think about staking. If you have any additional question, put this question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.